Recognized as the best and most awarded host agency with many of the most successful independent agencies in the industry, Avoya Travel has helped thousands of entrepreneurs turn their business dreams into reality, ensuring the modern-day travel advisor has everything needed to succeed. As an industry leader, Avoya offers an array of unmatched resources and services. Gain access to award-winning marketing, including live leads, which sends new travel leads directly to you via phone, web, or mobile app. Plus, using predictive technology, we help you identify which of your past clients is most likely to book a vacation next through Avoya Smart Leads. Avoya's on-demand marketing resource center provides access to turnkey and customizable marketing assets, including flyers, email templates, social media images, and more to help you engage travelers throughout the planning and booking process. Available from anywhere with an internet connection, Avoya's cutting-edge technology, agent power, includes integrated booking engines, a CRM system, SMS integration, commission reporting, promotion finder, and more. This proprietary, in-house SaaS technology is designed to streamline your business operations, offering advanced capabilities that save time and money, allowing you to focus on delivering top-notch vacation experiences to your clients. But what would great technology be without unwavering support and education? Avoya offers support 7 days a week, with quality that's second to none. We pride ourselves on having the industry's greatest support ratio, with one Avoya support staff to every 10 independent agencies, so you'll never go without support when you need it most. Ready to elevate your earning potential? Join Elite 100 and receive 100% commissions on Avoya preferred suppliers. Others may offer 100% commission programs, but when you're backed by the all-inclusive host with the industry's most elite business solutions, you can rest assured that you're in good hands. Whether you're just getting started or already established in the industry, this program delivers on the earnings you deserve and the resources you desire. Now, that's elite. New to the travel industry? We've got you covered. The Avoya Travel Academy offers the award-winning, comprehensive, industry-recognized travel agent education certification program to help you build a strong foundation for your business's success, setting a clear pathway towards certification and professional recognition. Offered in both written and audio formats, our program is designed with flexibility in mind to cater to various learning preferences and lifestyles. Don't let your dreams just be dreams. Make them a reality with Avoya Travel. To learn how your independent travel business can earn more from the exclusive resources only available in the Avoya network, or how to kickstart your new travel agency, call 1-888-388-85258 or visit www.avoyanetwork.com